Hello everyone, it's Susan and welcome to my channel. Romy and I are currently in Jeju Island. Yesterday we arrived and we're staying at the A1 hotel. This hotel is way better than the Airbnb that we had in Myeongdong, so we would love to show you around. So that's what I'm going to do. So when you arrive in our room, first you have this little hall where you can take off your shoes. Yes, we have both the same fans and you can wear some slippers. So then if you enter, this is what you'll see. So we spent the night here already, so it is kind of messy. But here you have this makeup table, a desk, with a water boiler, closet. We're not using it, but it's kind of big. And then here we have this, a refrigerator. Then I'll show you the balcony first. So it's a big balcony. And this is our view. I really like it. So back inside. So these are the beds. Finally we have a huge big ass bed. Each one for ourselves. And then the bathroom. So first up, this sink, this toilet with many options. It can clean the butt for you or the front. The vajayjay. Okay, well, and shower. And we have a jacuzzi. So that is what our room in the A1 hotel looks like. We're super happy and we slept really nice. The one thing we did not like is that it was hard to find because the address on Airbnb is not really complete. It feels like it's not the right address, or maybe Google Maps was screwing with us. So anyway, we did find it after some struggle and I really liked the room. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!